welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my premium BoxyCharm unboxing finally. Yay! So we'll jump into that in just a second. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do makeup unboxings, try-ons, reviews, hauls, all things makeup. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider subscribing, give it a thumbs up, give me a comment. That would make such a big difference for me and for the channel. I would really appreciate it. Without any more talk, we're going to go ahead and jump right into the box. So, for me, my premium box shipped out on the 8th. I received it on the 22nd, and I only live an hour and a half away from where it was shipped from. So at least in my area of the country, FedEx is still really struggling. And it seems to be with any of my FedEx packages. They sit in Atlanta forever. But I did finally get it. So this is September's BoxyCharm Premium unboxing. And the, the theme is good vibes only. So let's jump into the box real quick, see what we got. I do have to say, this is kind of my second attempt because my dogs barked through the entire first video. So, take two. So, first thing that we received is the Kitsch Ice Roller. And so this is basically, I'll open it up and I'll show you a metal roller. So I do really think that it is pretty. We have the pink handle, we do have the metal roller. You stick this in your freezer and then you can use it on your face to help increase circulation, to help decrease muscle tension, kind of alleviate puffiness, those kind of things. They do say you can actually use this for tension headaches, which I thought was interesting. I do get migraines, so I absolutely will try it when I have one to see, because ice does help me a ton better than heat does. However, they say that you're supposed to use this under your eyes. There is just no way that this is fitting under my eye to do any kind of anything. Has anyone used ice rollers on their face? What do you guys think? Are they worth it? Are they kind of gimmicky? What are your thoughts? I'm not really sold on an ice roller. I don't know. At any rate, so this is our first product. It's upside down, sorry. It is $18 is the value. Next product that we received is the, I dropped something, there we go, it's a video now. The Stila, it is the Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner. And I actually received it in the color Espresso, which I thought was really cool. I think often we get black liners, so to get it in an Espresso brown is great. It is supposed to be waterproof. It doesn't have any kind of smudger or any kind of sharpener on it. It literally is just the twist up mechanical pencil. Let's swatch it real quick. It is super creamy. It does seem like it is waterproof. You do need soap and water to take it off, which is nice. Not super dark, but a nice brown. So for me, I would try that probably in my waterline or my lash line. So we'll definitely give it a try. And so the Stila Smudge Stick Waterproof Eyeliner is $22. I do think that's a cool product. I love that it's not black. Love that it's not black. The next product that we received is the Milk Highlighting Stick. And so Milk tends to be natural. It tends to be all cream products, and so this is no different. It is a Champagne Pearl Hued Cream Highlighter, and the value is $28. I will say that you do get quite a bit of highlighter in here. I'll show you real quick. If you turn this up, it is the full entire packaging. We're getting towards the end here. I don't want it to fall out. So right there, it is the entire packaging that is the highlighting stick. So you literally will never run out of this. It would probably expire before you use it all. It is cream highlighter, of course, and it looks nice. It is just a nice kind of hue on there. Looks like a natural glow. For me, cream highlighters don't seem to work as well, or at least stay on as well for me. But certainly we'll try this. It would be good on a no makeup day, just kind of make everything glow and make everything beautiful. And I don't remember if I said it, but this is $28. The next product is a face product again. This is the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil. And basically they say this is a lightweight oil. It's a multi-active, lightweight, dry, nourishing facial oil complex, including 9 essential oils of palmarosa, orange, mint, vanilla, geranium, chamomile, lemon, rose, lavender, and omega-3, which all help to increase moisture levels and elasticity, as well as balancing the skin. Camelina Gold of Pleasure Oil contains powerful antioxidants. This is free of silicones, free of colors, synthetic fragrance, petroleum, mineral oil, sulfates, and is not animal tested. So I do really like that about the product. I do think the product is beautiful. I'll open it up and show you real quick. It is packaged very, very well, so it doesn't shift around. It won't break. And the bottle, I do think, is very pretty oil. Dropper, of course. It does smell, to me, it smells very much like geranium, just like geranium oil or geranium flowers. It is absolutely an oil, so you drop it on there. And when I had this on before, it did take quite a while for it to soak in. So although they say it's a lightweight dry oil, it doesn't really feel like that. It would definitely be something that you would need to use and put on either way before you start your makeup application process, or this might be a really good one to use at night. It is definitely very fragrant because of all the essential oils in it. So if you're sensitive to fragrance or if you're sensitive to certain essential oils, this would be one to steer clear of. But I do like it and I will try it. I do really like the bottle. I do like the smell. No complaints there. The value on this is $55, and that's because it's an oil, and it is a pretty good sized oil. I can't get it back in the packaging. They packed it so good, I can't get it back in. It is a really nice oil for a face. Next product that we received is another face product. And although I like these brands and I like the idea of them, in my questionnaire, I did put I prefer more makeup. And so far, out of the 5 products, 3 of them are face products. This is the Ole Henriksen Fat Glow Facial. And it is a PHA and Nordic Birch Sap. So when you read through here, I did think it was really interesting, the information that they gave you. The PHA delivers age-fighting results, but they are a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, healthier skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone. And so on this box, it doesn't even say that you can use it prior to makeup application. I think probably the first time I try it, I won't use it prior. I'd use it on a weekend or whenever, when I don't have to worry about it. I do think that the packaging is beautiful. It is nice and sleek. I do like that. I absolutely will try it. I do like the idea of a PHA versus an AHA, so it's a little, it's better for sensitive skin. I do like that. Retail value of this is $50. And the very last product here is the Eloise Beauty The Queen Eyeshadow Palette. And it's $48. The color story is beautiful and definitely something that I am not used to. I mean, look at those bright, bright pinks. There are some darker colors in there. I do really, really like this color story. It will make me step out of my comfort zone for sure. I do appreciate that. They do swatch beautifully. I'm going to swatch you Queen right here, which is that purpley duochrome, which is just gorgeous. I am going to swatch Elizabeth, which is that hot pink there. The mattes are ones that come off somewhat pigmented at first, but definitely can build them up. So if I did another swatch of Elizabeth, you can see much darker, beautiful, beautiful, huge, very saturated colors. I do really like that. Made in England. I think this is gorgeous. A beautiful palette that will push me outside of my comfort zone. So I am excited to use this. I have to say, for me, this box is not one of my favorite boxes. It is the premium version, and I don't think I explained that it's $35 for up to $175 worth of products. I think you get between 5 and 7 full-size items. I received 5 in this box. However, 3 out of the 5 are face products, 1 being a face tool. I think that my expectation sometimes for the premium box is that it just is a little higher end. Those are my dogs barking. They always bark in a video too. Drop stuff, dogs bark. We're complete. So for me, definitely not my favorite box. I like others better. This is what did you guys think of your BoxyCharm Premium? Have you gotten it, first of all? And if you have, what did you get? I really didn't check because I like to be surprised, so I'm not sure what everyone was receiving in their boxes. So drop me a line. Did you get a product you really liked? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. I love all of us getting together and talking about all of this. I hope everyone has an awesome day. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.